Okay, let's go.
Here we go. Just look at this. This has the same design as your screen in a BMW car. Now I have to say car because now there are BMW yachts. Two German companies, TYDE, which is a yacht manufacturer, and BMW, come together to create a world's first luxury EV yacht that flies. This is the world's first all-glass flying yacht. And we're going to fly this yacht in a second.
Okay, now we are flying.
Flying! Look at this, flying! All right, what do you guys think? Does that look cool or what? Thank you so much to TYDE and BMW for making this happen. Awesome.